स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोगों को क्लास 7 कंप्यूटर पहला लेसन है कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज, जिसमें मैंने आप लोगों को कुछ हेडिंग्स पढ़ा दी थी और उसमें 4-5 हेडिंग्स पढ़ाने के लिए बची हुई थी। आज उसको पढ़ा रहे हैं और इसके बाद इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर और बाकी भी जितने इसके सिस्टम हैं आपको PDF के रूप में प्रोवाइड करा दिए जाएंगे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। हम लोग कहाँ तक पढ़ चुके थे? हम लोग थर्ड जनरेशन प्रोग्रामिंग के बारे में पढ़ने वाले थे। फर्स्ट और सेकंड जनरेशन के बारे में हम लोग जान चुके हैं। अब हम थर्ड जनरेशन कंप्यूटर के बारे में जानेंगे। तो लिखा है थर्ड जनरेशन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, यानी कि 3GL। जैसे हम लोग फर्स्ट वाले को 1GL, सेकंड वाले को 2GL, उसी तरह से थर्ड जनरेशन की जो लैंग्वेज थी उसे हम 3GL बोलते हैं। तो लिखा है हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज। You know that low level language requires extensive knowledges of the hardware since it's machine dependent. Third generation languages specify instructions as brief statements. There are more like natural language like English, easy to understand statements to solve any problems than assembly languages. All are less efficient in the use of computer resources than earlier language. They are easier to write and understand and have made it possible to create software for business and scientific problems. Important third generation languages include Fortran, COBOL and Basic of C. Basic लिखा है Basic and Pascal are used primarily in education. To each programming was developed in 1964 by John Kearney and Thomas Courage to teach students and Dartmouth College how to use computers. Basic is easy to use but does few computers processing tasks well, even it does them. All different version of Basic exist. It was mainly used in microcomputers to earlier days. COBOL was developed in the earlier 1916 by a committee representing both government and industries. Rear Admiral Grace M. Hopper was a key committee member who played a major role in COBOL development. COBOL was designed with business administration in mind for processing large data files with alphanumeric characters and performing respective tasks such as payroll. It's poor at complex mathematical. 4th GL यानी कि फोर्थ जनरेशन की जो लैंग्वेज थी उसके बारे में इसमें बताया गया है। लिखा है ए फोर्थ जनरेशन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज called a 4GL is a grouping of programming languages that attempt to get closer than 3GL. Its human language form thinking and conceptualization. 4GL are designed to reduce the overall time, effort and cost of software development. The main domains and families of 4GL are database queries, reports generators, data manipulation, analysis and reporting, screen painters and generators, GUI creators, mathematical optimization, web development and general purpose language. 5th generation language 5GL. A 5th generation programming language is a grouping of programming languages built on that problems can be solved and application can be built to solve it by providing a concentrates to the program. Concentrate based programming rather than specifying algorithmically how to problem is to be solved. In essence, the programming language is used to denote the properties of logic of a solution rather than how it is reached. Most concentrate based on logic programming languages are 5GL. A common myso about 5GL pertains to the practice of some 4GL vendors to denote their products at 5GL when in essence the products are evolved and enhanced 4GL tools, compiler and assembler. As you know that high level language is machine independent and assembly language Thou is machine dependent, yet mnemonics and are being used to represent instructions are not directly understandably by machine. Hence, to make the machine understand that instructions provided by both the language compiler and assembler are required to convert these instructions into machine language. The software that reads a program written in high level language and translates it into a equivalent programming in machine language is called a compiler. The program written by the programmer in high level language is called source program, and the program generated by the compiler after translation is called a object program. The software that reads a program written in assembly language and translate it into an equivalent program in machine language is called an assembler. तो ये लेसन आपका समाप्त हुआ. इसके फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, ट्रू फॉल्स, टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन एंड आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस आपको पीडीएफ के रूप में वीडियो के साथ ही प्रोवाइड करा दिए जाएंगे. आज ये लेसन समाप्त हुआ. नेक्स्ट आपको दूसरा लेसन हम अगले दिन पढ़ाएंगे. पहले आप उस कॉपी में इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर को नोट डाउन करेंगे, उसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट लेसन पे आगे बढ़ेंगे. तो तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद.